32 pages in, the ink hasn't dried up. As of yet, I feel lost. Twisted in my own words, I think I might have missed the point along the way. Wait, where was I going with this? Let's start over. Thick pages in and your love hasn't caught me yet. Yesterday seems only years ago, but today still. In stillness, your love engraved in my spine, tried scratching it out, hoping it would run out. Still, the words grew deeper. Should I rip the spine out to remind me of the time I didn't recognize your name? Remind me to forget your I love yous. No, that's not right. Scratch that out. Tell them about that night. Screaming deeper than you could ever travel inside these walls. Liquidated passages, still you couldn't go deeper. Or should I? Even crossed legs couldn't keep you there, slippery thing. Walls reaching out to whatever you could throw in, just not your love. At least reach the muscle toe, I lie better there. Your manly wet hands against my dead skin, but that wasn't moist, was it? Hair falling off, overthinking. Your poisonous image streaming through my mind. Balcony, should I jump? So as to spit out the part of you that is stuck in my brain through my nostrils. To crack my skull and let the thought of you go. So as to breathe again. My iris flooded red, but I have never had a better side of you. Lost in narration, Ben, that let's tell them the truth. 3 phones down, memory constantly erased. Another new song reminds me of you. I pull out the keyboard to write on it. Another obsessive thought recorded. If only I could love me more than I do you, maybe I could figure out how to trip off this bridge. If we die every day, then I think this should be easy. I pray it takes years until my carcass is found. Spit out by the river to ease my mother's sorrow. Discovered by a random stranger just passing by, my body cleansed, your love washed out by suffocation. Whatever fuels that thought of you, drowned between chemicals, feel my system shut down with you in it. Are you afraid of death? A lot of things I should undo. Continually doing more, giving more than I should. Still waters run deeper than they should. On the surface I float. Light shooting brighter. Are you bending on purpose or am I losing mine? Send your love back, I dare you. Another crack on the screen gone deeper. The keyboard malfunctioning, the story is going corrupt. The screen forgetting to blink back. Pick up the pen. I said, pick up the pen, little girl, don't you tell me about the thorns it has grown, you made it this way. Keep the candle still. Don't whine about the wax reaching your skin so as to take new form. That's what it's supposed to do. Between shadows, take refuge. Take hints hindering protection pulled from all directions. Never quite understood the act of picking sides. Always in the middle, bathed there. But they shiver when you do, like the middle finger rising when none would. I feel misunderstood, someone to blame. Being I is deceitful, constantly growing dull. Black roses sprouting out roughly, bad seed. Playing myself, only I know the song, only I hear the lyrics. I needed someone to hold on to the torch, so I passed the burning log to you. You hold it so well, I think you started believing that without you there's no I. Like the slight sound playing behind these words, paying attention to grammar, I think someone missed the point. Listen closely. Forget the waking. Shift your focus to the rising. If I don't hand it to you, then I'd have to take charge and live. I think I've fallen in love with being dead, and I've quite grown fondness towards feeling sorry for myself. At any point I could stop, but it hurts less when I am the one holding the blade against my own skin. We don't die every day, we multiply. As soon as the white lines grow darker, then we kill ourselves in the shade of sun rays, sending hate letters to the world. You're not an addiction, just another thing to hide behind. I've been through far darker places where the moon don't hold the sky. My world was darker before I met you. It's easier to grab onto the jacket and text back sweet little things. It's not love that keeps you here, it's the idea. And what keeps it alive, it's self-sabotage. And you're just an object. I think that I feel as though I might just. And then